didn't see you there. I was just deploying my you know what? Let's just get to it. So we're going to deploy our functions to AWS Lambda. We're gonna assume that you have AWS Lambda set up already because that takes a long time to set up. So what we're gonna do is clone from this GitHub repository. Git clone and the URL that I just copy and pasted. Wait for it and go into the repository. Now we'll just type SLS deploy and that will deploy our functions to AWS Lambda. To ensure functions are running, we just click on one of the get links and you should see a list of the scooters that are active. In our list of functions, only this one create or update scooter function is important. So let's open that up in scooterhandler.js, starting on line 70. What this does, it exposes an endpoint for the scooter to pull to check if it's in use or not, so a user can unlock it from their app. This function also calculates surge pricing by checking for scooters in use near the scooter we're checking. Now we're going to set up SORACOM Funk. So you start off with the SORACOM console, click on your group, scroll down to Funk, turn that on, make sure the service says AWS Lambda, and your content type says JSON, and you add your new credentials. Set your credential set ID, make sure the type says AWS credentials, and fill in your AWS access key ID and your secret access key, and click register. For the function ARN, copy and paste the ARN for the creator update scooter function and put that into this field and then press save. And that's it, SORACOM Funk is set up. Now to set up Funk on the Raspberry Pi, we SSH into it, move into the eScooter folder. Like in our other videos, we're going to have to edit the Python files to user device's MAC address. If you've been following along, it should be pretty similar to harvest.py. And now we can use Python to run funk.py, make sure the scooter's on. And that beeping sound means it's connected. Now if we go into the app, you'll see there's a point where the scooter is. Currently the scooter is locked, and if we try to move the scooter, it starts beeping and it's pretty hard to move. So we're gonna have to unlock that. We scan the QR code that's on the scooter. There we go! Now we can enter in credit card information, and since this is just testing it, we'll use a test credit card number. And unlock the scooter. Now that beep means it should be unlocked. And if we try to move it, it doesn't give loud beeping noises anymore. If we're done with the ride, we can press this end ride button. And it should lock the scooter. There we go. Now if we try to move it again, it's once again locked. If you want to try this app out for yourself, just go into this GitHub repository and follow the build instructions. The links are going to be in the description. Now here's a more realistic example. Okay. Now when I try to ride the scooter, it doesn't let me because it's locked. So we have to go into our app, click on where the scooter is, press unlock, and then scan the QR code. Now enter in my credit card information. and then press unlock. Now that beep means the scooter is unlocked and we can ride it. To lock the scooter again, we just press this end ride button, and when we hear the scooter beep, it should be locked. Well, now when we try to move it again, it doesn't let us because it's locked, and the app should charge the card. Now that we've launched our electric scooter company, I hope you can see how easy it is to set up our IoT cellular connected device with SORACOM platform. The next time you're building an IoT device, I hope you find this series of videos helpful. Thank you.